In this video, we will talk about how to live a luxurious lifestyle on a budget. So make sure to watch the full video. Living a luxurious lifestyle often conjures images of extravagant spending and opulent possessions. But the truth is that you can experience the elegance and refinement of luxury without breaking the bank. By adopting smart shopping strategies, embracing minimalism, and prioritizing quality over quantity, you can create a sophisticated life that feels indulgent and fulfilling. This guide will explore practical tips and creative ideas for living luxuriously on a budget. From chic home decor and gourmet dining experiences to stylish wardrobes and unique travel adventures. With a shift in mindset and a bit of resourcefulness, you can cultivate an abundant lifestyle that truly reflects your aspirations. 1. Embrace minimalism, quality over quantity. Living a luxurious lifestyle doesn't require an abundance of possessions. Instead, it can be achieved by embracing a minimalist approach that prioritizes quality over quantity. Focus on curating a collection of high-quality items that enhance your life and reflect your personal style. This means investing in a few timeless, versatile pieces that you genuinely love, whether it's clothing, furniture, or decor. Minimalism allows you to create a more serene and sophisticated living space, where each item has a purpose and significance. 2. Smart shopping, finding luxury deals. Living luxuriously on a budget is all about being a savvy shopper who knows how to hunt for the best deals on high-end goods. Take the time to research and identify your favorite luxury brands, and sign up for their newsletters to stay updated on sales, exclusive promotions, and limited-time offers. Consider shopping at outlet stores, where you can find last season's collections from top designers at significantly reduced prices. Online shopping platforms and apps dedicated to discounted luxury items can also be goldmines for savvy shoppers. 3. Dining in style, affordable gourmet meals. Indulging in gourmet dining experiences doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. There are many ways to enjoy exquisite meals while staying within your budget. Start by enhancing your cooking skills to create elegant and flavorful dishes in the comfort of your own home. Invest in fresh, high-quality ingredients from local farmers markets, which often offer seasonal produce at reasonable prices. Consider hosting dinner parties where you can impress your friends with your culinary creations without the high costs of dining out. When you do eat out, look for restaurants that offer happy hour specials or prix-fixe menus that provide gourmet dining experiences at lower prices. 4. Chic home decor on a dime. Transforming your living space into a chic and luxurious haven doesn't have to mean spending a fortune on high-end decor. Start by defining your personal style and seeking out inspiration from magazines, online platforms, and home decor blogs. Look for budget-friendly ways to elevate your space, such as repurposing furniture, adding fresh coats of paint, or incorporating stylish accents that reflect your personality. Thrift stores and garage sales can be treasure troves for unique decor items that can add character to your home at a fraction of the cost. 5. Traveling in luxury for less. Traveling in luxury doesn't have to be synonymous with high prices. There are numerous ways to experience lavish getaways without draining your bank account. Start by being flexible with your travel dates and destinations, as this can open up opportunities for finding great deals on flights and accommodations. Consider using travel rewards credit cards to earn points and redeem them for luxury hotel stays, upgrades, and experiences. Research all-inclusive resorts or boutique hotels that provide premium services and amenities at competitive prices. Additionally, look for off-season travel opportunities, where you can enjoy luxurious destinations without the crowds or high prices. 6. Mastering the art of thrifting. Thrifting has become an art form, and mastering it can lead to a treasure trove of luxury items at unbeatable prices. Begin your thrifting journey by visiting local thrift shops, consignment stores, and online marketplaces where you can discover hidden gems waiting to be uncovered. Look for quality materials and designer labels that reflect your style, and don't shy away from gently used items that still have plenty of life left in them. Developing an eye for potential means imagining how certain pieces can be refreshed or repurposed, such as updating a vintage dress with modern accessories or refinishing a piece of furniture to fit your aesthetic. 7. Beauty and self-care on a budget. Pampering yourself with beauty and self-care doesn't have to come at a high cost. There are plenty of ways to indulge in luxury treatments and products without overspending. Start by researching DIY beauty treatments that you can create using simple, natural ingredients from your kitchen, such as face masks, scrubs, and hair treatments. Additionally, many drugstore brands offer high-quality skincare and makeup products that can rival luxury brands at a fraction of the price. Consider visiting beauty schools where students practice their skills, often providing services like haircuts, manicures, and facials at reduced rates. 8. Creating a luxurious wardrobe for less. Building a luxurious wardrobe on a budget involves strategic planning and smart shopping practices. Begin by defining your personal style and identifying key pieces that will form the foundation of your wardrobe. Look for versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of stylish outfits, allowing you to maximize your investment. Focus on quality over quantity by choosing pieces made from luxurious materials like silk, cashmere, or high-quality cotton that not only look good but also stand the test of time. Consider shopping during end-of-season sales or exploring consignment shops where you can find designer items at discounted prices. Accessories, such as statement jewelry or elegant handbags, can elevate even the simplest outfit and make it feel luxurious. 9. Experiences that feel expensive without the price tag. A luxurious lifestyle is often defined by unique and memorable experiences rather than material possessions. Seek out activities that provide a sense of indulgence without the hefty price tag, such as attending free art exhibitions, community concerts, or local festivals that celebrate culture and creativity. Look for deals on experiences through platforms that offer discounts on tickets for theater shows, cooking classes, or wellness retreats. Additionally, explore nature's beauty by planning outdoor adventures like hiking, picnicking, or visiting botanical gardens that can provide a serene escape without the cost. 10. Mindset shift, cultivating an abundant lifestyle. Adopting a mindset focused on abundance is essential for living a luxurious lifestyle on a budget. This involves shifting your perspective to appreciate what you already have while recognizing that luxury can come from simple pleasures. Practice gratitude by acknowledging the small joys in your life, such as enjoying a beautiful sunset, savoring a delicious meal, or spending time with loved ones. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether through inspirational books, podcasts, or communities that uplift and motivate you to pursue your goals. Set intentions for your life that align with your values and desires, allowing you to create a vision of abundance that transcends financial limitations. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.